When certain actor turns more famous than his film and his role. When actor is crowd puller, actor who is capable to bring audience to the theater just by his name, and we call them a movie star. India is the nation where people are obsessed with movie stars. Even in the case of Rajnikant, while his popularity is so huge in South that filmmakers have started using superstar word in his film's title credit. What happens when a movie star started thinking himself bigger than movie itself?
एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता।
विजय दीनानाथ जॉन पूरा
और हार का जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
There is a superstar like Mr. Bachchan. Even in the age of 80s, he is famous for his punctuality and professionalism. He always arrives on the time and always listens his director's command. This is enough to prove his professionalism towards his work. There is a star like Govinda, whose downfall's biggest reason was being late on the set.
किस वजह से लेट होते थे ये नहीं पता, पर लेट हमेशा होते थे, वो तो जग जाहिर है।
But there is a star like Salman Khan, who are not just famous for being late on the set, but also famous for interfering in the script and movie making. When Race 3 was announced, Abbas Mustan supposed to direct the film, but Salman came into frame. He just not changed the director, he changed entire cast and made several changes in the script. And result was, film got worse reviews from critics and audience as well. Not just Bollywood, it happens also in Hollywood too. When The Mummy was tanked on box office, Tom Cruise was blamed for it. The Mummy was meant to be dark universe, but media said creative involvement of Tom Cruise affected the quality of movie. Even Dwayne Johnson was blamed for Black Adam's failure. Maybe Tom Cruise makes interference in movie making, but we can't deny that he works so hard for his films. But in the case of Rock, he is self-obsessed person. He is a mediocre star who only wants to look good on screen. Instead of presenting comic accurate Black Adams, he tried to sell his own screen image in Black Adams. Prime example of misusing of stardom is Steven Seagal. Seagal was a big star in 80s and he had some fan following too. But even after being flop old star, he worked in movies only on one condition, that he won't lose any fight, which was accepted by makers. And trust me, his fight scene looks so cringe on screen because he can barely move his hand. But in 2017's film The China Salesman, he lost the fight against the Mike Tyson. This scene was performed by his body double, because Seagal the God can't lose a fight. Or of a movie star. Only actors who have great screen presence and the actors who can create certain aura on big screen can be a movie star. Many movies were released in past 10 years, but barely we can remember the face of lead actor. Even Tarantino have said in one of his interview that Hollywood have stopped making movie star.
You have all these actors who have become famous playing these
parts,
characters,
yeah.
but they're not movie stars.
Right.
Captain America is the star.
Right.
The presence of a movie star can turn any movie into memorable. The Godfather, one of the best, horror mystery, The Shining, and one of the famous crime noir film, Taxi Driver. All this movie had the strongest memorable characters. And this was not possible without the actors with strongest screen presence. Like people remember Scarface because of Al Pacino. Scarface was a remake of 1932's Scarface, and Al Pacino was chosen in lead because he was a big star after The Godfather. But when movie was released, it was trashed by critics, but everyone loved Pacino's performance. It was just a Pacino's performance which turned Scarface into a cult film.
All I have in this world is my balls and my word, and I don't break them for no one. Do you understand?
70s famous movie star Clint Eastwood have started the trend of Western action thriller. Today his movies are famous as Clint Eastwood movies just because of his on-screen persona and style of his dialogue delivery.
Tell me, isn't the sheriff supposed to be courageous, loyal, and above all honest? Yeah, that he is. I think you people need a new sheriff.
Movies like Mission Impossible are still enjoyable because of Tom Cruise's presence, his charm, and his hard work for his stunts. Even being the highest grossing movie in the world, people can't remember who were the lead actors in the Avatar. But they do remember who was in Terminator and who was in Rambo because they were giant stars in 80s.
This is where the law stops. And I start.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Is movie stardom bad for film? Well, answer is no. Currently, everyone trolls Salman for his bad performances, but that guy has given some good performances too when he worked under good direction. A combination of a movie star and a good director can create wonder on big screen, such as example Inception.
Look at me! But it doesn't matter. Oh, God damn it! Because you've been together. Sweetheart! Look at me! Oh, no!
A movie star need to understand the script and the vision of the director. If not, then movie also can turn into trash. No one ever expected combo of Hirani and SRK would be like Donkey. That film sucks in every aspect. Hirani was always hunger for working with SRK, so he wrote Donkey for him. That's why you won't find authenticity in any character of Donkey.
You want to test my knowledge about my family, or you want to test my knowledge about my English speaking skill? My knowledge about my family is limited.
Whole film looked like they are just selling this film in the name of brand Hirani and SRK. That's why script should be always first priority for any project. Combo of Hirani and SRK could have been magical. Well, if they had come with proper project where both could have explored each other's talent instead of hyping the film as Hirani SRK brand. Well, that was enough for today. Do like and subscribe for more. Akka malai baddo baddi hai. Maka malai kadu kaddi hai hai.